That's called demographic dividend. India entered this period of advantage in 2018 and it will stay with India till 2055. Let's understand what this means. What word demographic dividend means? It means that the country's working population is much larger than its dependent population. The working population is between age group 15 to 64 and its dependent population is anything between below 14 years and above 64 years. Yes, if its working population is able to contribute to economic activity, it will put India to an economic growth path, to an accelerated pace. In past, it has been seen in the world that the countries which has this advantage has actually moved ahead in its development, countries like Japan and China. More than 10 crore students are in high school, in 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th grade, and a similar number of students are in tertiary education, and a much larger population are working professionals. All these need to discuss and understand what their career aspirations are, what subject, what courses, what colleges, what professional development they can pick up so that they can become more active contributor to the economy. At the same time, they can unleash their entire potential. Yes, this entire youth population need a mentor, need a guide, and that roughly calls for more than 10 lakh career counselors who are needed to address to this need. Yes, these students, this audience need to talk to a certified career counselor who can help them unleash their ambition, aspiration, and help them lead to a potential, a fulfilled life. All we know that we have this one person who actually inspired us, became our mentor, helped us find that calling, helped us spark that light in life in our life. That's the requirement to become a guide, to become a master career guide. Can we be that somebody who can guide that individual? Can we be somebody who can help these individuals and students to find their calling and to find their path? I invite everybody, each one of you, to become that master career guide, to help guide and become a friend and mentor to someone who would find you an inspiration, who would love to speak to you, who would want you to be their guiding light. And this is all you can do with help of this Master Career Guide program, which tells in guiding school student right from 9th grade onwards to 10th, 11th, 12th. It helps you understand how to guide a college student right from BTech, BCom, BA and all the particular degrees you can talk about. It helps you understand how to guide a postgraduate students like MBA, MTech and beyond. And at the same time, it also helps you to understand how to guide a working professional. Not only this, it also gives you how to sell yourself, get into sales and branding, your own personal branding as a career guide, as a career coach, as a career counselor. So, I welcome all of you to this Master Career Guide program, a comprehensive module talking right from school students to working professional, and let's fulfill that need of 10 lakh plus career counselors which we need for our economic development. And do remember that world is talking about automation, AI, machine learning, and that the future of work is dependent on robots and not humans. Even in this case, you need to guide parents, students, individuals. How can they be ready for a world which is full of machines, full of robots, full of automation, AI and whatnot? This is the course which will tell you and talk to you about all these benefits, all the ways, and give you a big community to support you in this journey. The strength of this program is the access to the community which you will have, and hence I welcome all of you. I am Surbhi Devra, founder careerguide.com.